Hi everyone, my name is Natalie and I'm a STEM for Success mentor, and I'm also a student at the New Jersey Institute of Technology. For today, we are going to make ice cream together.
Here you will see all of the materials you will need per serving. I used 1 cup of half and half, which can be replaced with a half cup of heavy cream and a half cup of milk. Another replacement to make this ice cream dairy-free is a cup of coconut milk. Next is a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, which can be swapped out if you would like to use a different flavor. You will also need 1/4 cup of sugar. Apart from the ingredients that go in the ice cream, you will need 3 cups of ice, 2/3 cup of salt, a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, a sandwich-sized Ziploc bag, and a towel. All of these materials are necessary to ensure your ice cream will freeze and to ensure your safety. You can begin by adding your half and half to your sandwich bag. After this, add the 1/4 cup of sugar, and then you can add your half teaspoon of vanilla extract, or if you would like to swap this out, your other extract. After adding all of the ingredients together, seal your bag and be sure to remove as much air as possible. Be extra careful the sandwich bag is carefully sealed so the ice and salt can't come in. Slowly move around your bag so that all of the ingredients mix together. It's okay if the sugar does not fully dissolve in the half and half, because it will dissolve during the ice cream making process. Once you're done, set the bag of ice cream to the side. Open the gallon-sized Ziploc and add the 3 cups of ice. Then, add the 2/3 cup of salt to your bag. Take the ice cream mixture and carefully add it to the bag of ice. Once it is in, be sure to remove as much air as possible from the gallon-sized Ziploc bag and seal it as tightly as you can. The salt will make the ice a lot colder, so it is very important that you wrap the ice bag in a towel. This will keep your hands from getting too cold while you have to make the ice cream. Once you finish wrapping it, you will now have to shake your ice cream bag. You can shake it in whatever direction you like, but don't worry about shaking it too hard. You just have to make sure you're moving your bag. At this point, you can pause the video and set a 7-minute timer so you can keep shaking that long. Now that the 7 minutes are up, you can now carefully unwrap your ice bag. Keep the towel underneath the bag and open the gallon-sized bag and remove the ice cream from the bag. After you remove it, be sure that you wipe down all of the extra salt and water that might be on the outside of your ice cream bag. Now that you're done, you can open up your sandwich bag and see you finally have ice cream. The inside of the bag should look something like this. You can eat your homemade ice cream right out of the sandwich bag, or you can scoop it into a bowl just like I did in this video. If you have any toppings that you would like to add, now would be the time. I added sprinkles to mine, but you can add anything you want if you would like to. You might be asking, why exactly does this process work? Well, since we added all of that salt to the ice, it actually lowered the freezing point of that water. Because of this, the temperature of the bag went way below the normal 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Since a normal refrigerator operates at about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, if you were to add this to the fridge, it would freeze a lot slower than it would if you added it to the ice bag. Well, that's the end of our experiment for making ice cream. Hopefully you guys are able to make it on your own, and hopefully you learned something about it too. Remember, science is in everything that we do. Thank you guys.